here's the scene. We've got water a fair bit in the back there. So it's wet in the middle. There's a ridge here and it's wet on that side. And there's a little bit on that side as well. What I'm hoping is, because of all this dirt built up here, which is also, of course, all over the back of this light fixture, that's seeping in. I could see the water's kind of tracking. You can see a line here where it's seeping in, but also that it's maybe getting onto this cable through that bolt, because in here the top of that fitting is also wet, so it's kind of seeping into that area. But also along the top of that seal, this side of it, there's moisture in there, which obviously then goes through these holes and just seeps down the other side of that body panel. Don't know how it's getting in there right enough, which it is doing obviously. Start by cleaning that and see if it happens, see if it carries on.